Hi, Cheyette. I am Karonda. I work as a digital marketer at Refer Rhonda Digital Marketing. I do a couple of different services, but today I'm going to go over your website and tell you a few things that's going good and what we could work on to bring more traffic to your website. Mainly, the three things I'm going to go over are citations, backlinks, and content. May bring up a few other things as we go along, but let's just get started. Right now, I have your website pulled up here, and what I did is did a quick Google search for janitorial services like Street Minneapolis, and the first things that come up here, of course, are directories, a bunch of other businesses, but quickly I want to go over the Google Map Pack, which is a Google My Business listing. A few companies don't realize that once people search your business, this is the first thing that people see. And these top three businesses are usually the ones that get the most traffic. The two competitors that I brought up here for you are Eli's Cleaning and Champion Cleaning Services. As we can see from the search, Champion Cleaning Services are first here in the map pack, and their actual website isn't anywhere on this first page, but they're probably gaining traffic just by being in this map pack. If we look at Eli's Cleaning Service, they are a little lower on the page, but these other searches are more commercial cleanings and not really specific to Lake Street or Minneapolis. If we take a look at your website, it's not a bad layout. A good thing to have is a phone number right here at the beginning, so people have a way of contacting you. They don't have to search to find a way to give you a message or give you a call. Also, a contact form somewhere on the home page helps as well. So people aren't digging through your website. It's all right there on the front. Let's start off with content. So it's good to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on the home page. Google searches everything on your home page, including what you save your pictures as, known as alt text. And if we go ahead and just do a quick, click something wrong there. All right, so if we just highlight every piece of content on your homepage, you have about 755 words. When we looked at Eli's Cleaning and Champion Cleaning, Eli has about 639 words and Champion has 278. So if we were to add more content to the home page, it would definitely help you rank in the search engine. Right now, since your website is new, Google hasn't really crawled it too much yet, it seems like, but content would definitely help you out in Google search engine. Not only content, but targeting keywords inside that content. What I can see here is that you have cleaning services, commercial cleaning. If we look at Eli's website, they're targeting commercial cleaning, residential, commercial, really industry-specific keywords that people are looking for to get to your website. Let's see, we have content and this other tool that I use to help with content and finding keywords is called Ahrefs. Some people call it Ahrefs, but here it is here. Now, since your page is new, like I mentioned, I'm not going to find too much information. So if we look at Eli's Cleaning, Right now, they are ranking for about 85 keywords. And Champion Cleaning is only showing up for 3, but they are in this main backpack, which is helping them gain traffic by having that Google My Business listed. If we go back to Eli's Cleaning, when we loading, go back to their keywords. These are keywords that people are, searching for when they're looking for janitorial service or commercial cleaning. The main one that's getting a high volume of traffic when people are searching Google is professional commercial cleaning, right here. Now, Ahrefs lets me sort them through how much volume this keyword is getting per month, as well as how difficult it is to rank for that keyword, known as KD, keyword difficulty, and what position on the page they show up in Google right here. Over here at Champion Cleaning, they're only ranking for their own keywords, so to beat them really won't be difficult at all, since they're only showing up for 3 main keywords, and their website doesn't have much content on that home page. There we go. Let's go back to one moment here. Okay, so we have those targeted keywords. Another thing to help with ranking other than keywords and contents is citations, and that's basic business listings, directories, your name, address, and phone number, which should be the same throughout all directories all over the internet to make it easy for people to find you. The tool that I use to help me find citations is Whitespark, and when I searched your company here, it shows you're only listed for about 2 citations. Eli's Flooring shows 16, and Champion Cleaning has 14. So when we want to rank your website, the more listings, citations, the better. And that is what helps bring up your Google My Business listing as well, by having more citations. On top of citations, they are a type of backlink. Backlinks are other places where your website can be found. If we look at Eli's Cleaning, they have 21 backlinks, and let's see here, I clicked that as the other one for Eli's, so I'll just pop that back in there real quick to bring it up. One moment here. Sometimes things take a moment to load. Technology. It's great when it works, and very frustrating when it doesn't. Okay, but while that's loading, we'll just go over backlinks. Those are any places on the internet where you can find a link to your website, such as yellow pages, directories, blog posts, guest posts, and other things such as YouTube. You can link your website there, and all those give more authority to your website, showing Google this is related to this business, this is where people should go, and that pushes your ratings higher in Google's search engine. On top of backlinks, one last tool that I use is Majestic, and it shows me that trust flow, or that authority that your website has in Google. Eli's Cleaning Service here shows for 13 citations, but their citations don't have any sort of authority to Google, so they show a zero trust flow. Champion Cleaning, they're showing 2 trust flow because their topicals or where they put their website on the internet isn't really related to their business. It shows up as computers, business, science, not really cleaning related. So it's not helping them at all ranking their website. Ideally, we want to have the citation and trust flow at a 1-to-1 ratio. So if you have 11 citations, we want to have 11 trust flow. And that's the best way to really boost more traffic, get more sales, get more organic customers to your website. And that covers backlink citations, content, targeting at least 1,000 to 1,500 keywords on that home page, and making sure the keywords are buyer intent related or related to your business of what people are searching for. I think that covers all of that. And then along with SEO and gaining traffic, what we would also do is make sure your website has proper header tags, meta descriptions, which is what shows up underneath your websites when people search it here. And if we do a quick search in Google by typing in site, and you can see I already did it here for waltoncleanings.com, it shows me where your company name or listings are on the internet right now, and it only shows me for Facebook since your company is brand new still. But the meta descriptions, header tags, and all those good links would help your website in gaining traffic, and not only that, would help your website have a cleaner, more professional look. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care.